Okay, now we have a laptop. This is Asus A416JA-F HD 352. The problem is this laptop. It is coming on, but there is no picture. Switch on. Oh, maybe this is no battery. Yeah, this is PC. Maybe you can see the charging. Okay, switch on. Okay, you see the white light. Yeah. But there is no picture. There is no picture. What happened? We don't know. Switch off and let's open the laptop. Yeah, let's open the laptop. Maybe somebody has been opened this laptop or not. I don't know. Let's open. Okay. Okay. Maybe this laptop has been opened because this RAM is adding. Yeah. Someone add the RAM. No hard drive. Yeah. No hard drive. Yeah, there is no hard drive. Yeah. What's going on? No, this is the actually the RAM because there is no RAM here. Well, this is the NVMe. Why the NVMe is not tight? Okay, let's try again. Switch on. Oh, it is switch on, but the fan is not spinning. Yeah, the fan is not spinning. And then that is blinking. What's wrong? Switch off again. Okay, let's open the battery. Let's use the charger only to see what's going on. Yeah, the laptop is turning on by itself. The ammeter is 1.1 amp. It is normal actually, but why this is not no picture? Okay, let's try to use another RAM. What's this is 6G. Yeah, 6G, really? 6 GB. 16, sorry, not 16. I will use the 4 GB RAM. Let's try this RAM. The laptop is turning on by itself. The fan is not spinning. Still no picture. Still no picture. Yeah. Let's tap out the NVMe. Yeah, turning on. Turning off. Turn on. The fan is spinning. Yeah, now the fan is spinning. Can we have picture? Yeah, the processor is working. Oh, oh, okay. Yeah, we check for shot. Yeah, before further, we check for shot first. Yeah, I think I know what happened. This is yeah. We put it to the ground. Where is the ground? Here, maybe. No, no, maybe here. Sorry, not. Maybe I think here. Yeah, this is the ground. Beeping. We check shot at the processor. Here. 18. This is normal actually. 19. 19. This is normal. This is normal. What? No. This is ground. Yeah, this is ground. Okay, I see under the microscope. Okay, check the high side MOSFET. Yeah, we have shot here. At the high side MOSFET, we have short here. Really? It is short too. It is right. Yeah, it's short. The MOSFET is short, yeah. Really? Yeah, this is short. I think I will use the thermal camera to find, to make sure the short. These two MOSFET, this one and this one. This is the high side MOSFET. The source and the gate is sorted. Yeah, these two, this one, and this one. This is high side MOSFET. This is dual channel or single. Oh, yeah, this is single. Yeah. Okay, the thermal camera is on. Switch. Yeah, you can see it. Maybe you can see. Yeah, it's two coil. is this two coil is hot. Yeah, this two coil. Okay, I will open the board to take out these two MOSFET and replace it. Yeah, and replacing it. Wait. Okay, we continue working with this guy after I make confirmation about cause repair for the customer. Yeah, uh, we have to identify that there is a problem in this pico because under the thermal camera the pico is too hot. Yeah. The first thing I will do, I will uh, check about the resistance of the processor. Eh? Okay, this is the ground. Yeah, this is the ground. This coil. Sorry. Okay. 70, 27. Sorry, 27. Now is good. This one. 27 is good. How about this? 157. 157 is good. Yeah. Yeah, 157 is good. Maybe the processor is not solved, yeah? But maybe exactly, yeah? But I will try with the power supply. How about the end consumption of this processor before I do another things? Okay, power supply. Yeah, 0.9 amps. 0.9 amps. I need the probe. Where's my probe? Okay, this is the probe. This is the red one. Here we go. This is the black one. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The maximum that can be afforded of this amp is about 400 milliamp. Yeah. With this 0.9. Yeah. Okay. This is the ground. Oh, okay. What nice. Ground. Sorry. Ground. Okay. Ground to ground. Yeah. Here we have here we have 232. Okay, I will check under the thermal camera before do something else. Yeah. You open the heatsink. Okay, where's my card? Wait. Okay. Okay. Let's do the matter. Okay. Okay. The thermal camera is on. The processor has been clean. We will try with 0.9 volt. Okay. Here 0.9 volt. Yeah. You can spot something here. No. Wait. Is this one track? Yeah, this is one track. Eh? Some track here. Here we go. Here, something. Oh, yeah, something. White. White hole. There we go. Yeah. No. Here. Yeah. Yeah, the processor is getting hot. Only one side. Yeah. See? See? Took out the probe. Get the probe. This is not normal, I think. Okay. How about use the petro? Okay. You can see. You can see. Okay, I will use the thermal camera to clearly see what's going on. Sure. It's not normal. You see, it is going wrong at the corner. Okay, to clearly see, I will use the adapter and the laptop is coming on. Uh, After I plug in the charger box, because the bias, this laptop there is no bias battery, so the bias battery is supported by main battery. Okay, okay, plug in the charger. Yep. Yeah, plug in the charger. Yep, the processor is take uh, current very fastly. So it is sign the processor is die. Maybe here you can see. Yeah, you see? Yeah. Uh, The condition is not supposed to be like that, maybe, yeah. I don't know. Okay, yeah. I'll decide for to dim this laptop is not okay because the processor is uh not normally. You can see under the, yeah, under the thermal camera. Yeah, yeah. You see, the PGA is get a power. Maybe this is voltage here. Maybe. No. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In this condition, you see, this PGS not supposed to be not have power, eh? No. Yeah, power. You see, yeah. When I plug in the charger, yeah, it is going to hot, but the laptop is not turning on. Yeah, it must be is not going to turn. This PGH is not hot if the laptop not turning on. Yeah. Okay, I will stop the video right now. And I think this laptop is not fixed because the problem of the PGH. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it. See you in the next video.